Hello customers, hello YouTube followers, and we're happy that you're back on our channel. My name is David Fuchs, and today in this video we want to show you vinyl flooring installation once as an adhesive variant and the click lock method, vinyl for gluing as well as for clicking. What are the advantages and disadvantages of gluing? Where are the advantages and disadvantages? This video is going to focus exactly on this topic. Follow us and get the information you need. We have a construction site where the builder does just that. Once in this entrance and WC area, he will glue vinyl flooring, and in these areas in the living space, he wants to use the click system. And that's what we want to do here now. We show you that in the video as well. Room prepared. The leveling compound has been spread. You can see this clearly in the individual scenes. And now we want to work that in, and of course also show you how the whole process works, the effort needed so that you get the information you need and can make a decision. Sanding down the screed, a very important step when gluing. This removes unevenness, sinter layer. Priming and filling. Now, to create a bonding bridge for the leveling compound, we prime the screed. Here it is sealed off due to screed at the entrance needs to be properly protected from moisture because adhesive vinyl does not tolerate any unevenness. And of course, we want to achieve a nice even result. That's why it's very important to skim the surface. Before gluing, cut the first 2 rows to size, then apply adhesive and note open time. Very important. Afterwards, lay the planks and then roll them. Don't forget, please remember this. Just like with gluing. We also always recommend sanding the screed. First, just like with gluing, to remove any unevenness. But above all, you never know what you might want to lay on top of it later. Depends which click system you have chosen. Specifically, you need to lay out an impact zone insulation. For multi-layer, lay down a PE film. It's important to keep edge distances, otherwise, simply and gently click the planks together. Proceed according to the system you have. Follow installation instructions carefully. To wrap up the video, it might be a good idea for us to draw a conclusion about the different installation methods. In click vinyl or adhesive installation, so we move on to the click system. You saw in the video how practical it is. The whole thing is very easy to work with. It's great for do-it-yourselfers, so people building it themselves, because with the click system you can install the whole thing wonderfully, simply and easily, and you can easily work on this exceptionally well-developed product on the same day. So it's really an easy product and can be installed quickly. It's a very reliable system that also bridges some, let's say, differences in height. So you also have a bit more tolerance in the subfloor area compared to the glued version. Now I want to move on to gluing. You've seen that as well. The effort involved is already a bit greater. That means you need to do some leveling. That's very important, especially when gluing, and that's also why it's usually done by professionals. But once you've done that, this version is also really very nice. It only adds very little height. You also noticed here, and notice the difference again, if you really listen to the sounds. Then with glued version, you have significantly fewer footstep noises compared to the click version. That's important for some customers or in a store, etc. I should probably mention that here as well, really. And maybe also here again, we have a room here and underfloor heating everywhere with different installation methods. And here too, I want to say it's not an obstacle. Whether you glue or click, we have the same temperatures in the room anyway, and also on the surface. The only difference is that with gluing, the heat comes through much faster. True during heating up phase. With the click system, there's slight air resistance. That means the thermal resistance is a bit higher. But once the heat has passed through, the room temperature is also achieved, and I hope we've shown this in practice. Were you able to make a decision for yourself? Questions? Contact us. Of course, we also help with the samples, which you can also get from us for free at Planeo. I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.